Good morning, students. Today we will start a new chapter in physics, which will be light energy. And in this chapter, we are going to study about refraction of light. Refraction of light. Refraction of light is the phenomenon in which the ray of light will change its path when it passes from one optical medium into another. So whenever a light passes from one medium to another, there is always the change in the direction of the ray of light, and this phenomenon is called refraction of light. So in this case, the reason may also be asked that why does the ray of light change its direction, or why does refraction take place? Refraction of light takes place, or bending of light takes place due to change in the speed of the light when it moves from one medium into another. So altogether we consider three optical medium, which are air, water and glass. Now you know that in all these three cases the speed of light is not going to remain the same. There will be difference in the speed of light. In air the light will travel with a speed of 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. In water it travels 2.25 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and in the glass it has got the least velocity, which is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now due to these differences in the speed of light, whenever the light travels from one medium into another, there will be bending in the light, what we call refraction of light. Now there are two nature of the medium, which is rarer medium and denser medium. Rarer medium, and second nature of medium will be denser medium. Rarer medium is the medium where the speed of light is less due to the density of the medium very less, and denser medium will be the medium where the speed of the light will be less due to the density being more, and rarer medium will be the medium where the speed of light will be more. Because the density of rarer medium will be very less, that makes the speed of light more. So out of these three you find, we can give the nature of these three medium. You find from air to water. Between air and water you find water is having the speed less than air. So in that case water can be considered as the denser medium and air will be the rarer medium. Similarly between water and glass will be the denser medium and water will be considered as the rarer medium. Now let us see what happens to the ray of light when it bends when it goes from one medium into another. Let us see that. So here we have the first case when the ray of light passes from rarer medium to denser medium. Then which way the bending of light takes place? Let us see that. We can have a boundary of separation. This side we can consider as the rarer medium, and the one which is below the separation we can consider it as the denser medium. This is the normal. Whenever a ray of light passing from rarer medium to denser medium, it will bend towards the normal. This is the normal, and instead of going in the same straight line, you find the ray of light bending towards the normal. This is called incident ray, this is called refracted ray. This angle is called angle of incidence, and the angle between the refracted ray and the normal is called angle of refraction. Now second is the case when the ray of light moves from denser medium to rarer medium. Denser medium to rarer medium. Suppose this is the boundary of separation. We consider this as the denser and the rarer medium, and this is the normal. And let us suppose this we have the incident ray. As long as it is in the denser medium, you find it is moving in a straight line without bending. But as it goes into the rarer medium, then in this case the ray of light goes away from the normal. Where you find this is angle of incidence and this is angle of refraction. So a ray of light going from rarer to denser bends towards the normal, and the ray of light moving from denser to rarer medium moves away from the normal. In this case you can see angle of incidence is greater than angle of refraction, but in this case angle of incidence is less than angle of refraction. Now there are two cases where you find there is no bending of the light at all, even it is moving from one medium into another. Let us say that we consider this as medium 1 and medium 2. So first is the case when the ray of light falls normally on the boundary, then in that case there is no bending of the light and it will pass into another medium without any deviation, without bending. Whenever the ray of light falls normally, it goes into another medium without bending. That means no refraction takes place. Second is the case when both the medium has same refractive index. I'll tell you what is refractive index, but this is another case where you find the ray of light will not be changed due to the reason that both medium have same refractive index. In this case, the ray of light will again pass without any deviation. There is no bending in the light. So thank you very much. This is about the refraction of light. Next day will come with a new topic. Thank you.